Good morning, students. This is Sain Shah, Assistant Professor, KCS Kasinadar College of Arts and Science. Today subject Organizational Behavior in the topic Non-Financial Incentives Methods. What do you mean by non-financial incentives? Non-financial methods of motivation involve motivating employees in ways that don't involve money. Non-financial methods of motivation include job rotation, job enrichment, and autonomy. So, non-financial incentives do not involve any monetary reward or compensation through shares. They provide psychological satisfaction. They satisfy the emotional needs of employees. So it is include job rotation, job enrichment, and autonomy. Non-monetary or non-financial incentives. Money is not the only motivator. The employees who have more of esteem and self-actualization need active in them get satisfied with the non-monetary incentives only. For example, at Philips India, managers can give recognition points to appreciate good work of employees. So employees can redeem the accumulated points and get Philips product, so that they are motivating in the way of non-financial incentives. Non-financial incentives include status. Status refers to rank, authority, responsibility, recognition, and prestige related to job. By offering higher status or rank in the organization, managers can motivate employees having esteem and self-actualization need active in them. So, organization can recognize superior performance of employees through appreciation letters and merit certificates. Next one, organizational climate. Already we know about positive motivation, negative motivation. In that, it refers to relations between superior and subordinate. These are the characteristics which describe an organization. These characteristics have direct influence over the behavior of a member. A positive approach adopted by manager creates better organizational climate, whereas negative approach may spoil the climate. Employees are always motivated in the healthy organizational climate. Next point, career advancement. In case of any employee who have performed well, can be provided opportunities for participation in management or any other decisions. This is known as career advancement or participation in management. In case of manager, must provide promotional opportunities to employees. Whenever there are promotional opportunities, employees improve their skill and efficiency with the hope that they will be promoted to high level. Promotion is a very big stimulator or motivator which induces people to perform to their best level. Next one, employees recognition. Organization can recognize superior performance of the employees through appreciation or any other ways of methods. So recognition means giving special regard or respect which satisfies the ego of the subordinates. Ego satisfaction is a very good motivator. Whenever the good efforts or the positive attitudes are shown by the subordinates, then it must be recognized by the superior in public or in presence of their other employees. Next one, job security. If employees constantly worry whether their job would be safe, it would affect their motivation and performance. Job security would improve an employee's dedication and commitment. So job security means lifetime bonding between employees and organization. Job security, otherwise known as Giving permanent or confirmation letter. Job security ensures safety and security need, but it may have negative impact. Once the employees get job secured, they lose interest in job. Of example, government employees do not perform efficiently as they have no fear of losing job. Job security must be given with some terms and conditions. Next one, employees participation. In case of employees participation, an employee feel happy and proud about his status. It would boost employees self-importance and self-improvement. So, employees participation means involving employee in decision making, especially when decisions are related to workers. Employees follow the decision more sincerely when these are taken in consultation with them. For example, if target production is fixed by consulting employee, then he will try to achieve the target more sincerely. So this is known as employees participation. So students, hope you understand all the non-financial incentives methods. Thank you.